ka ho asɛm.
Your Majesty, Asante Kingdom, and everybody, thanks for the opportunity to learn about tradition. I can feel keeping your roots alive through the smile on your faces I see right here in this celebration is too a superpower. So, like our friend just said, I come all the way from Brazil, spreading some joy as the S symbol on my chest is supposed to spread, but I learn a lot. I'm here to learn with you guys, and I bring in this opportunity, this frame for your majesty that is inspired in a social action we did back in Brazil. We've been traveling a lot, spreading smiles in people's face throughout different countries, Australia, Canada, Brazil, Ecuador, right here in Ghana right now. And I can tell hospitals, children, schools will empower me to continue on this journey. Thank you very much. I super appreciate the opportunity.
Wo sɛnea